Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at the HunnyFit Insta's Snap Magnetic Lash Kit. We're digging into a YouTube review to see if this magnetic thing really works. Does it actually ditch the lash glue hassle for that quick full lash look without needing a salon trip?
Right. And it's interesting how they're trying to solve that glue problem. It's not just swapping glue for magnets. It's more structural. Basically, these strips kind of sandwich your own lashes using magnets. People want easy, and this product aims for speed, definitely.
Okay, let's break that down. The reviewer really highlighted that getting rid of the adhesive is, well, a game changer. And the real win seems to be the time saved after you get the hang of it. You just line them up. Click, done.
Exactly. Snap on, snap off.
Yeah, perfect for like running late or needing a quick glam boost. That's the whole instant glam promise.
And that snap is the key part. No sticky fingers, no leftover gunk, just bam, lashes. Plus, there's the value angle. They claim they're super reusable if you take care of them, so potentially way more uses than typical drugstore lashes.
And they look okay, not obviously fake.
Apparently quite good. The review mentioned they blend in surprisingly well, looking pretty natural once they're settled.
Okay, that sounds almost too good to be true. Our deep dives always need that reality check, right? If it's so fast, why did the reviewer talk so much about needing practice? Doesn't instant kind of oversell it?
Absolutely, that's the catch. There's a small learning curve, as they put it.
Yeah.
It's not like learning glue again. It's about precise alignment. You had to get that intermagnetic strip right at the base of your lashes, like super close to the waterline.
Ah, okay. So it takes some dexterity.
Yeah, finesse is a good word. The magnets need to click together perfectly, otherwise the whole thing feels off, maybe crooked, or just uncomfortable.
And the reviewer mentioned a couple of other things too, didn't they? Like tips for making it look better.
Right. Two main points. First, putting on a little eyeliner first can help. It sort of hides the seam where the magnetic strips meet, makes it blend better.
Okay, that makes sense.
Second, not everyone's eye shape is going to be a perfect match right away because, bone structure varies. So you might need to fiddle with the angle a bit. Be patient.
And what about the brand itself, HunnyFit? Are they well known?
That's the other crucial piece. They're pretty new on the scene. So when they claim hundreds of uses, well, we have to take that with a grain of salt. Meaning there isn't much independent long-term testing out there. We don't really know how those magnetic strips hold up over time, wear and tear. So that hundreds of uses claim, it's largely aspirational right now. It definitely affects the overall value calculation.
Right. So putting it all together, for you listening, this magnetic kit, it sounds like a genuinely interesting, maybe even disruptive alternative to glue. But you have to go in knowing that instant really means instant after you practice. It's a new skill you need to pick up.
Exactly. The reviewer's advice seemed pretty solid.
You may just buy one kit first. See if you can actually get the hang of it. And definitely keep the receipt.
Good advice. Yeah. It's cool tech. It solves a real annoyance once you master it.
Yeah.
And this push for convenience is everywhere in beauty tech now. But it does make you think, doesn't it? How often does instant innovation actually arrive fully formed without needing us, the users, to invest some upfront time and, frankly, develop new little skills to make the quick fix actually work?
Yeah. Something to consider as more of these quick fix gadgets pop up. Definitely food for thought.